one down.
Why are you challenging me?
How many did you eat? 2 at that one? That's 3. It's 5-0. She's knocking him out. I don't think we went through a minute yet, and he's ready going. Have you been training for this? No training, just natural. He was born with this talent. Anthony, is he gonna do this nugget challenge? No? Rata? He's gonna do it? Alright, you're the only one that believes in him, huh?
I don't.
No? He's full of baloney, huh? Champy, he's not gonna do it, huh? Chloe, is he gonna do the nugget challenge? No? Alright. There's 10 down. Starting strong. But will he end it slow? We'll see. How you feeling, sir? Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Does it tickle your tummy yet, or is it just an appetizer?
I haven't worked those muscles in a while.
Sure, sure.
What if
He's determined, guys. He's determined.
What if he has to go to the bathroom and then do you have to stop the clock?
He don't get to go to the bathroom. He goes to the bathroom, he gets disqualified. Give him a fry. Both of them each.
Where's Champ at?
Champy. Where's he at?
Michael, give him.
Oh. It's 2 boxes done already. Watch it. 20 nuggets, 3 minutes. We're in trouble. Oh, 22.
What is it at?
I think it's like 4 minutes. We're halfway there. How do you feel?
Shouldn't even start to get sore.
Don't want to give up? Throw in the towel?
Not yet. We'll see.
Can he do it? Will he ever eat a McNugget again after today?
Yeah, but not for a while.
Tell your fans out there how you feel right now, DeLuna.
I'm okay.
He's okay. We're at 26 nuggets, and he's okay. He's wearing his esposa shirt today. His good luck shirt. She's eating a banana. He's eating McNuggets. Hey, little man, relax. Food Nation would be proud, DeLuna. Can someone get this man a Happy Meal? Still got 25 minutes. There's a third box. We're more than halfway there.
You.
Yes, sir.
Can I give him this? Champ?
No, that's okay.
The last box right there.
Now he's doing one by one, huh? Oh, and he's switching up the sauces.
If I was him, I would have shoved them all in my mouth.
Oh, wow. He's thinking about it.
I'm all chubby bunny.
And now I know what they mean when they're, starts to get sore right here in the jaw for chewing.
Thought your jaws were trained for ready for it.
I did it up.
Is he gonna do it, Pops?
Yeah.
Right.
Almost on the last one.
Oh, so now you believe in him, huh?
Jumping on the bag of maggots.
Uh-huh. Did you eat at all today?
Yeah. Ate a muffin, drank some Arnold Palmer. That's about it.
You're waiting for the nugget challenge, huh?
Yeah.
This is no challenge to him. He said he could do 100 nuggets.
I don't think 100.
I can. I'm still hungry.
They're still tasting good?
Huh?
You feel full yet?
No.
Oh, we're in trouble. There goes my $10.
Chicken nugget. My big one.
Oh, that's a big chicken nugget. Dylan, I see that one too. Hold on, Champy. He might save you a nugget. I don't know yet. Hopefully he does and we win the bet. At this rate, we're in trouble. There's 38 nuggets right here. In 8 minutes, we might have a world record. He might do 50 nuggets in 10 minutes. So that means I won't bet Eugene that one. He could probably do it.
You double it.
See, next time I have to do it, we got to do the fries and the drinks.
Well, they don't do drinks some Andrew's food is fries.
But they have something to wash it down with. Obviously, the water.
Oh, but they're able to.
Do what you got to do.
I didn't do it. There's perfect tasting nuggets.
See, that's all make them perfect for you. Oh, it's a human bone. It's a chicken bone. But you know what? They say chickens don't have nuggets. I don't know. There's 50 of them here. 40 down. And lots of time to go. How much time are we at, Rata?
We got 20 minutes.
We're at 10 minutes.
20 minutes left.
20 minutes left. 10 nuggets to go. We got 20 minutes left.
If I do it, it's bad. Excuse me.
No burping either. You're disqualified.
He burped.
That's it. He loses. Uh-oh.
Okay, I can have the rest.
Is he tiring out? Can he do this last 10? Some people on my table, okay? funny. You still feel like a champ? Slowing down. Anthony, if you finish them, you gotta raise his hand like a champion, okay?
No, you do.
Oh, you do.
You do.
You do.
You do. Who does?
You do. Because you'll be on video. You're gonna be on the internet. You're gonna be an internet sensation.
And I'll watch it again.
What are you guys gonna call it?
The Luna versus Nuggets.
No, Nugget Man.
Nugget Man. Got 4 left, Luna.
Nugget Man, Nugget Man. You're gonna hold his arm up.
You're gonna hold his arm up. It's like I'm filming. You gotta hold it up.
Nope. Mm-hmm.
No.
That'd be funny if it was that one and then no.
Will this be on Facebook, sir?
This gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube, so raise your hand. You wanna be famous, right? You need to see yourself on the internet. You wanna do it? Huh? Do it after. The world champion of McNugget eating. 1 to go. 1 to go.
He's an uncle.
He says, bring on another 50 nuggets. He's gonna shit out a chicken. This is it. This is the final nugget.
He did.
Wait, I gotta wait till we gotta see. He has to swallow.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have to raise his hand.
Stick.
Oh, the jaws feel tired.
Another 50.
He did it. Raise his hand, Pops. The champion of Chicken McNugget eating, Fernando de Luna. He did the 50 nugget challenge in 16 minutes. Anything you want to say to your fans out there?
No.
I do.
All right, that's it.